Wow, it's a nice slide.
The excavator is playing basketball on the playground.
Very nice. Come here.
Uh-oh!
The ball hits the hoop, flies off, and knocks over a streetlight.
Oh my God! It's a disappear.
The streetlight falls and breaks a bench below.
Look at this.
Oh no! The ball even hits the trash can.
That.
We need the rescue team to help.
Okay.
Clamshell excavator.
Thank you. It's my time.
Dump truck. Mixer truck.
Nation. Let's go. Come here. Okay.
The grab excavator moves the fallen streetlight to the side. Then it cleans up the broken bench and trash.
What's next? Cool. Good job. Let's go. I got it. It's my time. Very nice. Thank you.
The excavator and cement mixer put the streetlight back in place.
Hi. Are you ready? It's amazing.
The dump truck brings a new bench and sets it up again.
Good job. Come here. It's so nice. Thank you very much.
Car City looks good as new.
It's amazing. I like it. Bye-bye.
Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. See you next time.